Hey fam, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. I'm so excited for today's video. Today I have partnered with FabFitFun to unbox their brand new spring box. As you guys know, FabFitFun is one of my absolute favorite boxes in the world. I've got my mom and my sister hooked on this box because it is just so clutch. You get so many awesome things in this box. If you don't know, it is a seasonal box, so you'll get a winter box, a fall box, a spring box, and a summer box. Everything in it is full size. You get everything from beauty to lifestyle to fashion items in your box. And it comes out every year, 4 times a year for $49.99. And it always has a value of over $200 worth of items in your box. And of course I have a discount code for you guys, so if you want to save $10 on your box, you can use my code SHAE, and again, that will get you $10 off of your box. So without further ado, you guys, let's get to unboxing. I'm literally like cutting this open right now for the first time. I'm so excited, you guys. It just feels like your birthday or Christmas 4 times a year. I especially love it because there's a lot of brands in here that I've never heard before or I've never tried before in every box, every season. So it's a really great way to try new brands that maybe you haven't heard of or seen. So right when you open it, this is what it looks like. It is so heavy, so it's hard to hold because so much comes in the box. But as you can see, they do not skip on packaging, presentation. Everywhere on the box is absolutely gorgeous. They have a beautiful design. And this is not a PR box. This is how your box will come. It is beautifully wrapped. They always have this really cute little information booklet, and I love how it kind of looks like a newspaper. It tells you about each item, the price, how to use it. So the very first thing I see here is actually a gift card, which is pretty cool. This is from HelloFresh, and HelloFresh is actually something I've been wanting to try. This is $25 off of your first 2 boxes plus free shipping, and they package your meals for you. They have vegetables, they have meat, everything you need for a meal will come in this box. So that's really, really cool. All right, now I'm unwrapping. Let's get into the good stuff. So okay, I see a lot. I'm just gonna start grabbing. The first thing I see, this kind of looks makeup related. This is by Ish, which I've tried before through FabFitFun actually. This is the Lip Statement Palette. Ooh, we love a lip palette, don't we? Wow, this comes like really nicely packaged. Oh, so cute. Wow, if you are a makeup artist, this is gonna be a dream come true for you. Look at all these shades. You have reds, you have strawberries, berries, nudes. These look gorgeous. I really want to dip my hands in it, but also it's so pretty. I don't want to ruin it yet. It also came with a little lip brush, which is super cute. So let's go ahead and pop into, this nude. I like this nude here at the end. Gosh, it breaks my heart to like ruin it already. Not ruin it, but just kind of disturb their product, you know, because it looks so nice in the palette. Oh, that is so beautiful. So creamy too. Wow, I love that. That was a really nice, opaque, comfortable, so creamy. Oh, that's a nice lipstick. And again, all the colors that you get, that is so exciting. I really love this. So how much will this cost on its own? Oh, wow. So normally this would cost you $42 if you were just purchasing it from the website. Also in this little mailer thing here, the little information guide they give you, there's a 20% off coupon in it, which is really cool. So that is a great value. I'm so excited for this little thing. This looks like jewelry, and I love getting jewelry in my FabFitFun boxes. Oh, wow, this is an adorable little bracelet. How pretty is that? It says love. It actually reminds me of, I have a Tiffany's love ring. This really reminds me of that, which is awesome. And this actually costs $65 when you purchase it from the website. So this is already more than the price of our entire box. It's a beautiful silver. And this is actually by Maya Brenner Design, which is a new brand to me. I have not heard of Maya Brenner Designs. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's like just so dainty, but shiny and metallic. I mean, it's silver. That is beautiful. I will seriously start wearing this every single day. I love, love, love this bracelet. I love all the detail. I love this little jewelry bag it came in, so when you're traveling, you can put it in this. You can put other things in it, obviously. It's just so, so nice. It's nice and velvety. Oh, love it. I'm really excited about this bracelet. What is this? Is this a freaking clutch? Because I will freak out right now. I'm serious. This is by Rachel Pally. Oh my gosh. This box is unreal. It is. It's a clutch, you guys, and these are $60 a piece. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see what mine looks like. I gotta get this open right now. Again, I just love how nicely packaged everything comes so that it won't be damaged in transit. Here it is. Oh my gosh! What? How cool is this? I cannot even right now. That is so beautiful. You know what? This really reminds me of my mom for some reason. My mom loves these type of colors. This feels like really sentimental to me. I love when they have little tassels on the end. What I really like is it seems to be like reversible. You can use it with the cream side with a little color popping through. Super duper cute. Or if you want to go all out, you can flip it to the more colorful side. It's such a nice summer spring clutch. That is super pretty. It's like really Victorian. It's like super vacation-y, which I think I really like about it. Now they do have two other shades you could have gotten. You could have gotten an orange one or a pink and aqua colored one. I like this one because I think it looks like super vintagey in a way. Beautiful lining with the labeling and everything. It's not like cheap. I don't even know if I'll be able to show this, but on the inside, do you see right there on the inside, there's a little pocket flap with the same print from the outside of the clutch. I think that is just so nice. It's such a nice little extra touch. Put your little lipstick or your glasses or whatever in there, fold it over, and you are good to go. That is chic, y'all. I'm excited by this. I'm definitely gonna use this. Super fun, y'all. That is super duper fun. Like, how is it not my birthday right now? These are more presents and gifts than I get on my birthday. I usually get like one thing on my birthday. FabFitFun is funner than my birthday. Okay, this is adorable and I freaking love these. Look at this eye mask. Is that not the chicest thing you've ever seen? So it says, with love from Texas. Is this Free People? It's by Free People, you guys. That's, again, one of my favorite brands, and it's also one of my mom's favorite brands, so she's gonna be so excited when she gets her box this month. I'm so excited for her. This is actually a vegan leather eye mask, so it's not real leather, but it feels like it is. It has an insert. It has a removable, non-toxic eye cooling insert. Oh my gosh, it does, you guys, it does, right on the inside. So you would put the inside contents here, the cooling parts, in your fridge, and that'll help depuff your eyes. I also love eye masks for when I have headaches. Is that weird? Sometimes when I put an eye mask on when I have a really bad headache, for some reason it just makes it feel better. Like the pressure just really makes it feel better. Oh my god, that feels so nice. Wow, this hasn't even been in the fridge and it feels cooling. Oh, and the quality, and I can't see a thing, obviously, it's so darn thick. I just can't even believe we got a Free People eye mask in this box, and it's so cute. Again, $40, that's a hookup. I'm leaving this on my head for the rest of the video. Don't think I'm not. Okay, what is this? We're getting to the stuff I like. Products. Murad! Murad is like the bomb.com. This is a skin perfecting lotion. Oh, I've used this a million times. It's a great product. When I had like really bad cystic acne back in the day, I used a ton of Murad products, and this was an awesome lotion because whether you're acne prone, dry skin, oily, it works for everybody. It's oil free, which is awesome. So if you're oily and even if you're dry, it's super moisturizing. And again, this is full size, so this will cost you $40 if you go to any of your retail stores. But instead of paying a full $40, you could pay the $39.99 with my discount code SHAE, and you could get all this in one box. It's like unreal. For the price of this lotion, you can get it all. Oh, it feels so nice. I can't wait to use this tonight. It is so hydrating. Do you see how smooth and just radiant it makes my hand look? It feels so good. I know I don't need to tell you guys this because I'm sure you've all used Murad by now. You know it's great products, but I'm just excited. I'm excited to see all these name brands like Free People, Murad being in this box. It's like great. Next up, oh, what is this? Is this masks? What is this? It is! These are the kissing masks. I really like these. What a cute little package. So who's this by? This is by KNC Beauty. It's an all natural collagen infused lip mask. You get 5 of these lip masks and the little reusable pouch for $24.99 if you were to purchase them, you know, outside of the box. So you basically tear off the top and slide it on out, and you can see it comes on this nice tray that is just sopping with treatment. It really works to hydrate and plump your lips, which is fantastic. You can use these in the morning when you're getting ready, before a date night, if you just needed a little extra moisture. Honestly, when I use the lip mask, I still take whatever serum's left over after I'm done the mask and I just rub it in all over because it is so hydrating. So you leave this on for a few minutes and your lips are so supple, plump, but like a natural, pretty plump, okay? Not an artificial, super injected plump. I love these. I'm so excited to have more because I think I have one left from the last time I got these. No way! Oh my gosh, this box is just filled with like super well-known, high-quality name brand things. We would sell out of these weekly at my Ulta Beauty retail job. This is Dermalect. It's the Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler. I get serious nail ridges because my nails are always breaking. I'll be honest, I'm peeling them a lot. They grow in with those ridges sometimes, and it's just simply not cute, ladies. It's not. And this actually costs you $18 if you were to go to a store to pick it up, like where I used to sell it. It comes in a bottle like this. You can actually use this as a top coat or a base coat. I tend to like it as a base coat, but you can do it either or. It just helps to fill in the gaps in your nails so you get a really smooth, polished looking manicure, which is what we all want, honestly. I could desperately use it. It's peptide infused and it's a concealer and a treatment. So if you didn't even want to wear nail polish, you could just use this to kind of clean up your nails, make them look fresh and pretty and natural. What is this? We have Dove Exfoliating Body Polish, Crushed Macadamia and Rice Milk. I didn't even know that Dove made body polish, and now we can actually try it out, which is super exciting. So this is actually a bonus in your box. It's not even considered one of the included items. It's just a little freebie they throw in there for you, which is awesome. That's why it's kind of sample size, not full size. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. I am so excited to be introduced to this right now. I want you to smell this because I need to smell like this every single day. It is fresh and clean and yet soft, and I guess it's that macadamia in there that I really like. It's a beautiful scent. I love it. It's not like an old, pardon me for saying that, but it doesn't smell old or like super hoity-toity. I don't like those body products that kind of smell a little too fancy for my liking. It's like a naturally beautiful smell, like naturally fragranced. I don't know how to describe it. It smells so beautiful though. So I love body exfoliators. I'm excited to try this polish. I can already tell I'm definitely gonna pick up a full size of this though because it smells delightful. This box is going by way too fast. I'm getting sad now. We're reaching the bottom. Okay, so what on earth is this? This looks like something I need. This is by Physique 57 and it's a massage roller. Oh, wow. Oh. FabFitFun, you are taking care of your girl. Oh, you don't want me to feel any stress at all, do you? You want me to have no tension. God bless you. This is nice. You guys. Oh my God. I'm sorry. I don't know how to react right now. I've never felt this before. This is making me realize I'm very tense and stressed in my shoulders and my neck. So this massage roller is $20, and this you'll actually use for 5 to 10 minutes, but I can tell I'm going to use it probably a lot more than that. And you can massage your whole body. I mean, this has got to be great for like your blood circulation, doesn't it? Like this really gets everything going. Is it legal to feel this good? Oh, wow. I just found a sweet spot. Okay, I gotta stop. I'm sorry. I'm not even filming the video anymore. I'm just having a spa day at this point. We're down to the very last item, but it's heavy and it smells good, so I have a feeling of what this is. Number 1, Manhattan Beach. Oh, it's taking me back. It's like I can just smell this and close my eyes and I'm literally at the beach. But like the cleanest beach in the world. A beach filled with like beautiful sand and water and freshly washed linens. That's what it smells like to me. I love the rose gold too. It like goes perfectly with my backdrop. You guys know I always have this little rose gold jar here. And now I have a beautiful other one. It's like I needed rose gold back there. It's like it was meant to be. That is gorgeous. What a cute little candle, right? I love the rose gold. So how much is that? So the candle is by Anderson Lily and it cost $45. Hello, $45. Do you realize how much value was in this box? I'm not trying to shove it down your guys' throats. I promise you. I just really want you to take in everything we got. I feel like I say this every time, but this was for sure my most favorite, best FabFitFun box I have ever received. They're always super duper great, but this one was freaking unreal. We got so many high-end items with name brand products. Like, I mean, this freaking eye mask, the Free People eye mask, the Murad, the Dermalect. Are you subscribed to FabFitFun? And if not, what are you waiting for? I don't want you to miss out on these products. They get better every time, I swear. Of course, it's a little more pricey, but you are getting a ton of stuff. Really expensive high-end designer items. And of course, you can save $10 off your box with my coupon code, which is SHAE. So if you want to check that out, again, I will link it down below for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I love you, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!